สวัสดีค่ะ
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we are on Pattaya Beach. I'm going to go for a night walk, well 6:30ish, and see what we can find. It's a beautiful night tonight. I reckon it's only about 25, 26 degrees. A little bit overcast, but it's not too bad. If you're new to the channel, thanks for coming along and enjoying the walk with me in Pattaya, Thailand. Let's go see what we can find, shall we? Just coming off the beach now and going onto the beach road. Get those friggin' stones out of me thongs. Let's try and cross over here without getting skittled. And see how we go. Whew, you reckon they'll stop? Probably not. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, outside the beachfront hotel on Soi 4. Let's go. So it's about 6 o'clock at night. Everyone's starting to come out for dinner now, I suppose. So there should be a few people out, hopefully. I'm starving too. Finish this video and then I'll go for a feed myself, I think. No, thank you. Oh. People getting on the song tower. The BART buses, as they call them. Alright, just hit another Soi 5. Nothing much going on there. Yeah, gelato vibes, that's good. Good ice cream if you want that, guys. Really nice. Had that last night, beautiful. Everyone's sitting back, enjoying themselves. Got a soy dog cruising past there. Nice fresh coffee shop. That's good. Haven't had one from there yet, but it looks nice. I might give that a whirl. Give it a crack. Kinde Gyoza. Not sure what that is. Not sure. Oh, they're the combis with all the grog on them. They're cool. I had a couple of drinks here on these green chairs last night. 150 baht. They're all cocktails and stuff, but they were okay. It was more about the view, I suppose, and the scenery going around. To see what was... I probably wouldn't go back, I'll be honest. Bus loads of tourists rocking up everywhere. Now it's getting busier down this part. All the boys are getting on it. Soi 6. A bit early for Soi 6, I think. Go down there later. No thanks, mate. Now this joint here on the left, I ate here today for lunch. Beautiful. Do yourself a favour, go there because it's cheap and it was good. I think it was about 70 baht for a shake. There's the joint there. Really nice place. 70 baht for like a full-on fruit shake. I got 2 of those. Paid kapow. I think it was about 90 baht. And What do I have for chicken Penang curry? That was about the same. I think it was 85 baht or something. It was friggin' beautiful. That's cheap as chips, mate, for sitting on the beach road and having a feed. And it's always packed too, mate. There's always people in there, so it's good food. Where's the young fella? Ah, his bag's stuck. Oh, no. Got it. Had a pizza in this joint the other night too. The pizza was alright. Only took about a friggin' hour to get to me though. Service was pretty average. And mozzies, oh God, they were everywhere. Probably avoid that if I were you. I thought there would have been a few more people out and about by now. Maybe I'm a fraction early, who knows. Hotel Tropicana. Never stayed there. Oh, is it even there still? Or is that what this car park was? Yeah, maybe that's what this car park was. Oh no, it's not a car park, is it? This is a little beach sort of place. Good vibe there, I reckon. Don't know what the prices are like. There's a whole heap of different stalls and stuff you can get stuff from. Plenty of alcohol, beer, wine, soft drinks, all that stuff. A few people going in. Continues over here. Looks like a nice vibe. Looks like a nice place to go to, I reckon. There's this car park up here I was talking about, so I was wrong about that. Good idea though. They need more parking on this street. This is a tattoo joint in an old bus. It's cool as. Love this. It's awesome. People going for jogs along the beach. Coming up to the Twin Palms Resort. Car park's still pretty empty. That'll fill up as we go though, I'm guessing, or through the night anyway.
Yeah, he's soy choy.
Twin Palms Resort. Here on the left. Yeah, Pizza Aloha. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about that. Mera Hotel, stayed there, check out the description. I'll leave a link. Really good hotel. Really good. Good location, and it's right. Look, there's the beach there, mate. Across the road. Can't go wrong with that. Right next door to the Hard Rock Cafe. But always got a live band on every night. I wouldn't stay in there. Pretty expensive. Paying for the name there. Don't know what the song is they're singing though, I'm not sure.
Next part from Danny Seaside with featuring with her. Thank you.
Yeah, I don't know. Little Thai families just on the beach enjoying a nice little dinner. Maybe a drink or two and then just living the life, mate. Beautiful. Oh. Cool. Thought she was going to attack me, that one. Alright guys, we're back just outside the Faded Barber Shop. Looks pretty cool. Cool dudes cutting some hair and shit. That's good. Getting to the busier end now. There's a lot more people. Starting to eat their dinner. Another tattoo joint right there. I think the Pattaya City sign's starting to come on with the lights. Don't know if you can see that in the camera or not. But it's slowly coming on. Can't really tell. Now we're just come to this corner up here. It's on what road is this? I'm not sure what the name of the road this is. But we're going to cross at these lights, do the right thing, and try and get across. The red man's still there. Dangerous little intersection this, they come flying around here. You know what, I reckon I can go for it in a sec. I reckon I can, I'm going for it. What the hell? Made it through just. Get in front of these guys. Beautiful Pattaya Beach by night. Wake up. Here's the boys. This joint's always packed. At MS Mojito, all having drinks and having a good time. Never been in there. It's probably pretty cheap, I would say. The boys doing all that are always there, enjoying themselves. Through here, cut through here. Oh, catching the fish. Alright, they're all dinner tonight, although these ones are empty. Oh no, there's a few in there. No, thank you. All the boys drinking their beers here. Must be cheap here as well, I'd say. I tend not to video in there because, I don't know, probably get in trouble for doing that. Oh, bit of a roadblock. Try and get through.
Great work.
Thank you. Oh, got through. Going past Burger King. Coming up to my favourite, Tops Daily, the new 7-Eleven. It's always a good place. I think shut at midnight though, I think, or yeah, 6 AM till midnight they all shut. Whereas the 7-Elevens, I think most of them are 24 hours. Roughly the same prices. It's in 7-Eleven as it is in the Tops Daily. There's another boys bar just here. Won't be filming there. Happy hour, all beers 70 baht from 9 till 5. 9 AM and you're sinking beers, you've got problems, mate. I reckon. Even if you're on holidays, I certainly wouldn't be drinking beers at 9 AM. Maybe 11. I'd have the first one, but other than that I probably wouldn't. It's just not worth it. Have no money left. Alright, coming up to central Pattaya and the Hilton Hotel on top of that. Getting a bit hard to get through. Oh, might be able to sneak through. Yes, we can. Alright. Let this dude through, he's not gonna... His little pink Honda. Bang, just cut through, boy. Cut through here. Cool bars there, man. I like it. Juga Tim. Oh, look at the smell of that food. That smells good. It smells good. Sweaty cup. Sweaty cup. Crocodile. Alright. Central patio is a bit quiet. Nothing set up there. Usually there's a stage and chairs set up. There's nothing going on. Might go across over to here. Cut through here. There's the Hilton. Can't afford that place, boys. Hey, that's comfy. Oh, that was loud. Lôi mà.
Yeah, not only one, 5 pieces.
Alright guys, I might leave it there. I think, yeah, there's nothing much more until you go further down, but I'm starving, so I'm going for something to eat, then I'll probably do another one straight after this. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Well, hang on, what's going on here? The traffic cops pulled up someone. Let's have a quick look at this. It's Thai local. Don't know what's happened. Looking at the bikes. Oh, they're taking them away, are they? Maybe they're stolen or something. Who knows? Anyway. Alright, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and a like and a comment, because that really helps me, as you well know. See you all in the next one. Bye for now.